my sleepy eyes because I just woke up and it is 7 a.m. in the morning. Actually, I was just about to get ready for the office and then I recalled that a lot of you girls have requested a daily makeup routine video. So yeah, let's just quickly get into the video because I have to get ready and I have to rush to the office. So yeah. So in my daily routine, I just use a moisturizer. I do not use a primer because I do not have to apply foundation. That is why only moisturizer is enough. And if I feel like, I also apply sunblock after my moisturizer. But that is not what I do on a daily basis. Anyway, this is the moisturizer that I use. This is Physio Gel Hypoallergenic Daily Moisture Therapy Lotion. This was recommended to me by my dermatologist as I have very sensitive and acne-prone skin. Next step would be applying concealer. Well, this is not what I usually do. I just apply my face powder and that's it. But this is for those people who like to conceal their dark spots and dark circles. I do not have dark circles, but I do have some scars on my face, but I have learned to live with them. So I do not care even if they show a little. But just in case you want to hide your dark spots and you want to add a little into your look, you can definitely use a concealer. But I would recommend that do not use a very thick concealer. Use a light one that gives a very light coverage because it looks way more natural. The one I'll be using right now is Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. It is lightweight. It does not feel too heavy under the eyes or anywhere else on the face. I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes, probably on my laugh lines and wherever I feel there are dark spots on my face. Again, I'm going to mention here that this is not what I usually do. I do not apply concealer on a daily basis because obviously too much of makeup spoils your skin. There is no second thought in it. Just in case you do not have any dark spots or dark circles on your face, or you have learned to live with your dark spots like me, just skip the step. I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend it. This is by Beautify by Paulo. Well, I'm done with the blending. Let's just move on to the main product for my daily routine. That is L'Oréal Paris Infallible Powder Foundation. This is the product that I use on a daily basis. I have a combination skin, so it works perfectly fine. I apply this on a daily basis. It does not cause acne. It is in the shade Warm Vanilla 123. This is how it looks and it comes with this. And one more thing, this is a powder. It will not give you that kind of coverage. It just gives a fresh look to your face and evens out it a little bit, but does not give any kind of coverage, obviously. But I think that is enough for daily makeup. Even if it looks uneven right now, it will get better with time. This is obviously a powder and it takes time to settle. Now sometimes I like to do a little extra, so I apply 2-3 eye shades, some eyeliner, eye pencil in my waterline and all of that. But on the other days, I just like to go super simple. I'll be using this Maxi blush by Oréal for my eyes. I applied the blush all over my eyes. So for eyelids, I'll be using this highlighter. You can use any shimmer shade you have and you can literally do anything you like with the eyes. But I'm just showing you guys the super basic routine with minimum products that I do. Now the highlight of my daily makeup, Kajal. I do apply eyeliner, but mostly I apply Kajal. And you can say that there's a signature way of me applying Kajal. A lot of girls on Instagram had been requesting me to do a tutorial on how I apply Kajal, so this is for you as well. By the way, this is the simple Hashmi Kajal and it looks like this. I'm also going to apply it on top of my lid and then I'm going to extend it just like you would extend your eyeliner. yeah, I'm done with one eye. I'll just get done with the other and come back. This is how I apply my kajal, and I have been doing this since years. I love applying kajal this way. You can try it as well if you like it, or you can apply it in any way you like. Now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows a little. This eyebrow pencil is by Sweettouch. Now the next step would be applying blush, and I'll be using the same blush that I used for my eyes. Now I'll just apply some mascara and highlighter and I'm good to go. To give the highlighter a more natural look, you can blend it with a beauty blender. It will then just merge with your blush. So guys, that was it. That was my daily makeup routine. Sometimes I do a little bit more, sometimes I do a little bit less, but more or less I use the same products. Well, that was it for today. I will see you guys in the next video.